Welcome to your own channel, Safety Course Guide. The purpose of this channel is to give clarity about different courses available on health and safety topics. In today's session, I am going to discuss the details about NIBOS IGC, which is the short form of International General Certificate. I found that lots of candidates have doubts regarding this course, like who can do this course, where to do this course and how to register for it. So with this in mind, I am trying to give some clarity about the course through my today's session. So let's begin. The course is International General Certificate, as you see, and this course is a certificate level course provided by NIBOS. NIBOS is an examination board in occupational health and safety. It is an independent UK-based examination board delivering vocational qualification in health and safety, environmental practice and management. So who can do this course? This course is ideal for managers, supervisors or anybody with health and safety management responsibilities, any person working in the uh, organization with the background of health and safety as a responsibility. Perfect for those embarking on a health and safety career, anybody who is seeking a career in health and safety department can also do this course. Now, how it is accessed, that means how we can uh, do this course, how we can get the certificate. So this course is assessed and assessment is done in two steps. One is IG1, an open book examination. Earlier this examination was a sit in writing examination, but nowadays it is changed. Now it is done in open book examination to assess what you know. This is scenario based and it will include a closing interview. You will be asked questions about your submission. So, uh, brief information about IG1 is that you will be given a scenario or of an organization, and on that scenario will be asked some 7 to 8 questions, and you have to complete these questions within 24 hours and to submit this your paper to the learning partner you have registered. IG2, a practical risk assessment to assess what you can do. Learner will complete a risk assessment and develop an action plan for their workplace. This is immediately useful and valuable. So you have to complete a report, a risk assessment report, and submit it. Is there any entry requirement? So yes, there is no entry requirement for this qualification. However, it is important that learners have a suitable standard of English language in order to understand and articulate the concepts contained in the syllabus. Because this syllabus, this whole course is in English, and the syllabus are also in English. You have to submit the paper also in English. So basically, you have some basic knowledge of English. This is as uh, this is not a recommend. This is not a requirement actually. This is just NABO's recommendation that you have basic knowledge of English, like English International English Language Testing System. From the this system, you have to have a score of 6. This is just recommendation. If you can write in English, you are suitable enough for this course. Where to study? You have to find a learning partner which should be an accredited course provider offering NABOS qualification. There are lots of NABOS accredited course provider available, and when you will go there to register, you will get to know about the course fees also, course fees also. So the course fees depends upon the learning providers, learning partners. Now, how the course is done, a mode of study. Nowadays, these learning providers are providing online classes of 1 month duration. The classes generally are occurring in evening session, so you can take classes uh, sitting at your own home on your computer or laptop. Now, coming to examination, the examination is done on different dates of the year. So as per the NIVOS calendar, these are the dates given. June is already done. Now next exam is 4th August, 2021, and next is October and December dates. So you can choose any one of these dates, and before the dates you have to at least 1 month before the date you have to register for the examination. Like for example, if you want to give exams on August, you need to register on July, first week of July for the course. So when will the result will be out? After the course is completed, after you have submitted the paper, you will get the results within 15 working days uh, in your address. So this is all about the basic information about the International Journal Certificate. Any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Bye bye for now.